Would you like some help with that? What? Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Let me help you with that.
Push down on
Okay.
those and swing them in. Bless your heart.
Absolutely, I'm glad to help.
Thank you so much.
There you go. You have a good rest of your day.
You too.
I will, thank you. I will, thank you. See, it's not that hard to help people, you know. That's all you have to do every now and then, is just help somebody. I made that woman's day.